Welcome to a delicious journey through English food vocabulary. Close your eyes and relax as we explore the world of food, cooking and dining. Let your mind absorb each word naturally. Let's start with breakfast foods. Eggs, bacon, toast, cereal, pancakes, waffles, oatmeal, yogurt, fruit. I eat eggs for breakfast. You have toast with butter. Breakfast is the first meal. Breakfast gives energy. Common fruits: apple, banana, orange, grape, strawberry, watermelon, pineapple, mango, peach, pear. Fruits are healthy. Fruits are sweet. I like apples. You eat bananas. We enjoy fresh fruit daily. Vegetables for health: carrot, tomato, potato, onion, lettuce, broccoli, cucumber, pepper, spinach, mushroom. Vegetables are nutritious. Vegetables grow in gardens. I eat vegetables. You cook vegetables. We need vegetables for health.